What's the meaning of apocalyptic? Apocalyptic. Apocalyptic.
Apocalyptic. Apocalyptic. The term apocalyptic refers to a catastrophic or world-ending event, often associated with religious prophecy or mythology. The result of an apocalyptic event can be devastating, leading to the collapse of society, widespread destruction, and mass extinction. It is a time of great upheaval and danger, where the very survival of humanity may be in question. Apocalyptic scenarios have been a part of human culture for centuries and continue to capture our imagination, serving as a reminder of the fragility of our existence and the need for vigilance and preparedness in the face of potential crises.